Hey, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video editing tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a voiceover in Premiere Pro and Sony Vegas. I am sorry again for no videos last week. As I said in the last video, I had a computer crash where I have to order a new hard drive. I am on my SSD right now, but I need more space, so let's get going. So to do a voiceover is you want to make sure your audio settings, hardware is set to the mic U, which I'm using my blue snowball. It's kind of weird since it is working, but go what you can do there. And then what you can do is you can click on this little voiceover rate, and you click it, it's going to count down, and then you can just record whatever you like. And you hit stop, let it play through. It is my voice there. And that is how you do it in Premiere Pro. Let's go over to Sony Vegas. Okay guys, now that we're back in Sony Vegas, what you're going to want to do is you're going to right click on this little 3 dashes, click edit visible button set, arm to record, and that is how you get the microphone right here. You want to click on arm it, and then to record you want to hit record under there, and that is how you record in Sony Vegas and Premiere Pro. If you like these videos, leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace out guys. And then just hit done, record under there, and that is how you record in Sony Vegas and Premiere Pro. If you like these videos, leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace out. Peace out guys.